Hello all. As I have generally went over the night patterns on the previous post, today I would like to choose two patterns and talk about its anticipation or obviousness and their claims. So obviousness. I chose the protective sleeve US 2010001902381. So generally, this invention was made to lessen the transfer of heat when hot or cold beverages are transferred to other containers. Although the container has to have a certain arch in the middle of the cup sleeve, I believe that as an ordinary person skilled in the art could put this together. It is highly likely that anyone trying to design a thermally insulating sleeve would replicate such protective sleeve like this pattern. Claim 1 goes over the specific geometry of the sleeve, which does not flow well because Claim 1 to 4 explains the specification of the geometry of the sleeve. These claims seem to be obvious to anyone skilled in this area. For anticipation, I chose the patent number US 8118189B1. It's a temperature indicating sleeve and related container. This invention was made to indicate the temperature of the beverage to tell whether the beverage is warm enough to drink. I personally never saw such container or sleeve that indicate the temperature of this beverage and never thought the idea until I read this patent. So that is why I chose this patent, since it was the only idea that I found it was original out of the 9 patents. In terms of anticipation and obviousness, I found it highly novel as no other patents talked about indicating temperature. This idea is very creative and I thought that this make it like less anticipated and novel that makes it not obvious.